Ever heard of the Marvel Funds niche? Trust me, this is a gold mine if you take it seriously. It's like a treasure chest waiting to be opened, and the best part? It's less saturated with little competition. Let's dive into the details. I recently stumbled upon a channel that has amassed 13 million subscribers in just a couple of months. And their videos? Well, one of them racked up over 40 staggering million views. But how are they doing it? Buckle up, because I've got the secrets to share. But first, let's take a look at a sample video from these types of channels. When it comes to creating similar content in a unique way, you'll need a snipping tool, image prompts, and we'll also discuss crafting eye-catching visuals using text-to-image AI tools such as Runway. It might seem complex at first, but stick around and I'll guide you through the process. Trust me, it's simpler than it sounds. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Step 1. Generating an image prompt. There are two approaches to this process. The first method involves asking ChatGPT to generate a prompt for the Marvel characters you wish to feature in your video. Another option is to utilize your device's snipping tool. Simply search for the snipping tool on your device, click on it, and use it to capture the image you desire. Save the image and proceed to image to prompt.com. Upload the snipped image to obtain a prompt to use for the AI image generator. Once the upload is complete, click on Generate Prompt and your prompt will be ready. Copy the prompt and proceed to the next step, which involves generating the image. Step 2. Generating your video characters. When it comes to creating your video characters, you have the flexibility to choose any image generator. If you've been following my videos, you're likely familiar with my preference for the Leonardo AI text-to-image tool. However, for this specific task, I believe Lexica AI stands out as the optimal choice for generating this type of content. Begin by opening Lexica AI and signing up for an account. It's entirely free. After logging in, navigate to the Generate tab at the top. Input your prompt or copy and paste the generated prompt from the first step. Adjust the aspect ratio to your preferred dimension, in this case, the short's aspect ratio, and then click Generate. You can create variations of the images by utilizing the provided feature or download them using the download option. Repeat this process for all the superheroes you intend to include in your video. If you observe the shorts videos we are using as a guide, you'll notice they incorporate a sub-image of the superhero in each scene. To generate these sub-images, we will turn to Leonardo AI, as it excels in producing more realistic images for each character. Open Leonardo AI and select the image generation option. Input the corresponding names of each superhero one by one in the prompt box. Change the model to absolute reality, adjust the aspect ratio to 9:6, and choose the number of images to be generated. Continue this process for all the superheroes you plan to feature in your video. Step 3. Animating your generated images. Upon revisiting the original video, you'll notice that the sole type of animation applied was zooming in and out at varying speeds. This implies that you can streamline this step by focusing on basic zooming animations. However, for a more distinctive touch, incorporating additional animations such as panning can elevate the uniqueness of your videos. To achieve this, we will utilize Runway ML. Sign in or sign up for an account. Once logged in, click on Text or Image to Video, and begin uploading all the images you downloaded from Lexica one by one. Click on Generate, and you'll observe the animated results. Repeat this process for all the images. By introducing diverse animations, you can enhance the visual appeal of your videos and make them stand out from the crowd. The final step involves assembling all the images in CapCut or any other video editor. Launch your CapCut video editor or the editor of your choice. Import all the animated images from Runway ML into CapCut and onto the timeline. Adjust the aspect ratio and zoom into the empty frame to fit the screen, removing the watermark. Import all the images generated with Leonardo AI into CapCut and place them on top of the corresponding heroes. Resize them to make them smaller and position them at the bottom. To remove the background of each image, click on the image, select the cut option on the right, and then choose Auto Cut. Again, you want to do the same for all the images. Now that you have the basic imagery, enhance it using CapCut effects and transitions. Begin by adding the clear filter effect. Go to the Filters panel, select the Crystal Clear option, and drag it along the entire timeline for added clarity. Next, incorporate transitions and animations. After completing your editing, add some sound effects. Navigate to the Audio tab, go to Sound Effects, and search for a whoosh sound effect. Apply it under the transitions. Proceed to the Text tab, select Default Text, and pose a question such as, "Which superhero is the best?" Set the text color to yellow, adjust the size, add the superhero's name when it appears, and ensure it concludes with the superhero's scene. Feel free to customize the style and color. Don't forget background music. Utilize music from a copyright-free site like YouTube. While uploading your shorts, click on Sounds, look for recommended background music, and use it. Remember to reduce the volume of the music before posting. Now, your video is ready. Check what you've been working on. There you have it, a simple Marvel Funds niche video that can garner thousands of views, subscribers, and subsequently, revenue. I'm eager to hear your thoughts on this niche and the tools used. If you know of a better niche or have pro tips to share, feel free to do so in the comments below this video. Let's continue this creative journey together.